You carry your own repairing kits in your body. At StemRx, treatment is about more than just managing a condition. It's about restoring lives and rekindling hope. StemRx has had the privilege of helping patients facing over 800 different conditions, from neurological to genetic, from stroke to diabetes. StemRx provides non-surgical alternatives for conditions like osteoarthritis, avascular necrosis, and other orthopedic conditions where surgery was imminent, bringing hope for diseases long considered chronic and non-reversible. StemRx is changing the face of gynecology with highly advanced treatments such as ovarian and endometrial rejuvenation, raising fertility success rates to new heights and making complex cosmetic gynecological treatments both affordable and accessible. Through its advanced anti-aging program, StemRx offers therapies designed to make you feel revitalized and healthier inside out. Here, it is about slowing the aging process at the cellular level, restoring energy and strength so you can embrace life fully. From organ rejuvenation to full body revitalization, StemRx helps you slow down the effects of aging. What truly sets StemRx apart is its holistic approach. Every treatment is a blend of regenerative medicine, advanced therapies, personalized rehabilitation, and tailored nutrition. We understand that every individual is unique. At StemRx, we create care plans that reflect your specific needs. This personalized attention is why many patients who once felt disheartened by conventional medicine find renewed hope and healing at StemRx. With more than 30 years of experience, cutting-edge global technology, and countless success stories, StemRx is more than just a hospital. It is a sanctuary where science meets compassion, where transformation leads to healing, and healing leads to a better, more fulfilling life. At StemRx, we are committed to more than just helping you live longer. We are dedicated to helping you live better.